You need to know how to install side markers on a Nissan GTR? I'll show you. What's up guys, welcome to another video. I'm Chris, and if you're new to the channel and you haven't already, consider subscribing so that you can learn all the little tricks about the parts, the skills, and the business of building custom lights here on the FlyRyde channel. So I'm gonna talk about swapping out the factory orange side markers on a GTR and the very simple process and how easy it is to screw up. We wanna turn them into these. Nice little JDM side markers, super bright white LED bulbs that we sell lots of. And yeah, pretty simple video. Let's get into it. So really all I'm gonna do is show you how not to screw up that little metal tab right there. These things are bent out of shape on like every single GTR ever, and there's no reason for it. It's so simple to do. All you have to do is just put a little flathead screwdriver right there, right at that little edge. See how it's got the little line in the middle? Right underneath that. I'll show you on this side mark right here, because all I'm doing is changing out the LED bulb. So here's what you're gonna do. You gotta wear your hat backwards, because if you wear it frontwards, you're not gonna be able to see anything, because you gotta stick your head like right in there. So I'm gonna start the car, turn the wheels all the way that way, because I just did the other side first. And then I'm going to look for that little metal tab, and I'll try to put the camera in there and see if I have enough light to show you. Otherwise, I'll take a picture and then I'll highlight it in the picture. Here we go. Okay, so here's all that you gotta do. If you look, this is the fender liner, black plastic, and we got metal on the fender, and then we have the very, very tip edge of a little metal tab in there. I'm gonna take a picture with the flash just to show you. So I can actually see it right now. Like, I'm right here behind the tire. I can see just a very little tip of that tab is sticking through the fender. You don't want to push from the fender side. You want to push from in between the plastic and the metal right here. You just push on it ever so slightly, go forward, and then it just releases out. So I can show you. So what I'm pushing on, the only thing I'm pushing on, is this little section right there. And this thing should not be loose at all. So if you have good brand new side markers, this should be easy. These things, they've been through battle. We've got an LED bulb in here. It's nice, bright white. You can see it really well in the daytime. Then it's got the same LED bulb in the high beam section. And then you've got this little dinky thing. It's kind of sad. Look how little it is. Now notice, if you're a GTR guy, you're like, why does the inside of those look black? Isn't it supposed to be like bright and shiny? It is, but we made them FlyRyde customized inside black. Super dope, I love it. But all I'm gonna do is pop this thing out really quick and then swap that bulb and put it back together. And then I'm gonna go deliver this 850 horsepower beast back to its owner. Mike, you're the man, Mike. Thanks for letting me steal your GTR all the time. Alright, I wasn't gonna do it, but I just will. I'm gonna be just super transparent. So at some point, this little guy has been manhandled. And I don't even remember. This is my buddy Robert's old car, my neighbor, and we've done a lot of things to it. So at some point I ended up throwing on some JDM side markers. It's got double-sided tape on it to hold it against the little metal inside of there. And that's because of how often this happens. It happens all the time. I didn't even realize that it was this way on this one. I was trying to be a cool guy and teach you something. So I'll show you the right way to do it on that side. But I guess you just get to see this in reverse order because I'm not going to show you the stupid part till the end of the video. So just pretend that, I don't know, that I know what I'm doing. Anyway, since that thing was bent, it's never gonna sit perfect again. And so you've got the little tape going on and it's like freaking not perfect. It works perfect, but it just doesn't look perfect. Yeah, it looks pretty good, see? All right, worst video ever. I feel stupid. Subscribe to the channel. I will show you stuff, I'll be honest, even at my own expense. So I should have known better. I'm glad that I had a stock side marker so I could show you taking that off, putting the other one on, but kind of screwed this one up, didn't think it through. But there's free, dope, easy knowledge for you. Go put it to use, enjoy, share pictures with me if you swap the side markers on your GTR or customers. And yeah, have a great day. Thank you for watching. You're awesome. You're neat. I like GTRs. I gotta go drop this thing off. And it's got a lot of horsepower, about 850. Whew. It's gonna be a fun drive getting it back home. Well, it looks better. Like that? That feels like you're in here, right? Is that more better? I would do that then. God, this is so weird. Why am I doing this? All right. So maybe I can even turn it a little bit. Yes. Here we go.